Today we're going to be unboxing a very cute diamond painting from Oraloa. So first let's take a look at the box. This side says, "Let your creativity sparkle," and there's their little hula girl logo. And then on the back we have some instructions on how to diamond paint. And then on the side here is a preview of what I'm going to be showing you. Battements de Coeur by Maud Lamoine. It is a super cute diamond painting. On the end here is more information. It measures 46.3 by 70 centimeters, and I don't know, I don't know if it's a round or square, but it is a square diamond painting. And do you guys like my nails? They're nail stickers. I'm a cheater. Before we get into it, let's check out these little goodies that Oraloa sent me. So this diamond painting was sent to me to share with you guys on my channel. It's been sent to me for a while now. I just haven't gotten around to opening it. But here is a little gift set here. Whoa, okay, little explosion. So we have a sticker, very cute. We have a thank you card. Then we have Oraloa artist collector cards. So I don't know if they're still doing these, but I do have quite a few of these, so this will go to my Oraloa collector card collection. And these are actually artwork that you can buy as diamond paintings on the Oraloa website. Then we have a scratch ticket. I don't know, do these expire? It doesn't say. Okay, so if you get a tiki, you actually win something. I'm going to scratch this later. We have another sticker, and then I dropped a couple things. So we have another Oraloa sticker, very cute. I love their branding. It's just like so fresh. And then we have another one. Then we have a little resin thing that you can turn into a cover minder, and it is of their hula girl mascot. So super cute. This is really cute actually. And it's like that thick planer resin, whatever resin. So yeah, you can turn that into a cover minder if you want, or just use it for decoration. Super cute. And while I'm opening this up, if you are new here and you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I do post videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you click that notification bell. I do a lot of diamond painting unboxings, post reviews, accessories, how-tos, etc. So hit the subscribe if that is something you're interested in. So your diamond painting comes wrapped to you in this plastic. And then let's see what falls out first. A little shake. We have our drills. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of drills. So here are the colors in this diamond painting. Super pretty, and it is a square diamond painting. And there's going to be some ABs, which we will look at later on. You also get an Oraloa toolkit. I will show you quickly what is in the toolkit, but it's going to be all the tools you need to get started in diamond painting if you are new. So we have a tray. We have a squishy for your pen. We have blue wax. We have some washi tape to section off your canvas. We have a diamond painting pen with a 3-placer. We have super pointy killer tweezers here. Be very careful with these. And then we also have a multi-placer. I don't know what size that is. A 9-placer, 7-placer, I don't know. You're also going to get an instruction sheet on how to diamond paint, and then some tips and tricks that you can read, a discount code, and then just a welcome to the Oraloa community. And then we have our sticker sheets. So these are pre-cut stickers that you can put on the baggies. Or if you do kit up in containers, you can put these stickers on your containers as well. Here's a bigger image of the thumbnail. And then again, more information about the canvas, measurements, and then here is the schematic. So it looks like there's going to be 50 colors with 5 ABs. So that's really pretty. And later I'll show you where those ABs go in this canvas. We can get a drum roll. Here is the canvas. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Okay, I need to flatten it out a little bit. Let's flatten it out. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I think she's so gorgeous. And can I just state that I love that she's wearing glasses, because girls who wear glasses can be cute too, okay? Just saying, just saying. So at the top of the canvas, we have the Oraloa logo. On the top left, we have the schematic. Bottom right, we have the schematic. Then at the very bottom of the canvas, we have information again about the artwork. Let your creativity sparkle, and then information about Oraloa. And if you do want to grab this canvas, I am an Oraloa ambassador / affiliate, and you can use code bevbe15 to get a discount on your diamond painting. You don't have to use it, and also I get a very small commission if you do use that code. But let's take a look at the schematic. So it's numbered. We have some letters and some symbols. And then down here you can see those ABs that I mentioned earlier. I think this is gorgeous. I really like it. So you can already see that there's going to be a lot of color blocking just in the background itself. Like this whole peachy color is going to be all color blocking with the exception of the number 3. But the background should go really fast. And then I think like the majority of the actual image itself has some confetti to it, which is cool. I like a good balance of confetti and color blocking. Like I get super bored if there's too much color blocking, but then I also get super frustrated if there's too much confetti. So this I think will be an okay balance of it. So here we can look at the drill field itself. Again, this is a square diamond painting. You can see that there are faint grid lines, so you can make sure that your drills go where they're supposed to. We'll take a look at the detail in her face. I love that she's wearing glasses. I know I already said that, but I wanted to say that again. So everything, like, as I'm looking at this right now, everything looks clear to me. I'm not seeing any issues with the symbols or anything like that. I think this is so cute. What a great image. Okay, now let's take a look at those ABs. These are the 5 ABs you're going to see in this kit. Really pretty red, a blue or teal. I think this is like almost like a black AB, I don't know. And then an orange or yellow as like orange, and then a pinkish red. Those are really cute. Okay, so let's look where they go on the canvas itself. So if we start with 45, which is this red AB, this red AB is going to go, I can already see it, all throughout the flowers. Like each flower has a little bit of that AB within it. And then also within the skirt of her dress, her dress itself, there's going to be ABs. In the umbrella, there's going to be ABs that highlight it, and within the bow, within the bow itself, within her hair bow, and throughout, so throughout all the flowers, throughout her dress, and then throughout the umbrella. Then the next AB is going to be N, which is this color, so this pinkish red AB. So N, okay, that is my cat being crazy if you can hear that. So N, because it is in very similar color to that previous AB we looked at, it's going to be all throughout like the same spots that we just looked at. In addition to in the hearts here, there's going to be that N in that heart throughout her neckline. And then we'll look at the yellowy AB, which is this one. This really pretty color. That is K. So K is going to be, okay, so K is going to be throughout her dress. Like there's a big chunk of it here. And then a little bit throughout the yellow in the flowers that you'll see. A little bit in her face. I don't know how I feel about ABs and faces. Sometimes they look really good and sometimes I'm not so sure about it. But also in the umbrella as well, there's going to be that AB. And then in the lantern, there's AB as well. And then that equal sign, which is 3750. So this is like that dark, almost black AB. And that equal sign is going to be Where is that? Okay. So it's going to be like down here. So in the window or the background behind her, that's where you're going to see that dark, almost black AB. And then, yeah, so just in the window behind her, there's going to be highlighted areas of that AB. And then we have Y, which is 49, which is that light blue AB. So Y. Oh, wow. Okay, so you're going to see that Y AB majority within the window behind her, or like whatever this background piece is. Yeah, and along here as well. So in the background. And then we have, oh, that's it. So those are where the ABs are going. What do you guys think of this canvas? I love her. I think she's so cute. She is adorable. So let's do, can I do this? We'll do a little comparison so you can see the image side by side. I think it looks really cute. And yes, again, I'm going to mention she's wearing glasses. Power to all the women who wear glasses. What do you guys think of this? Let me know down below. I really like this one. I like that the background is all color blocking. Like, I think that will, the contrast with the background all color blocking will make the main image stand out. And I don't know, like I have a few kits by Maud Lamoine, who is the artist for this canvas. And I think her artwork translates so well to diamond paintings. I'm really excited about this one. Thank you again to Oraloa for sending me this to share with you guys on my channel. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this. If you have glasses, let me know if you wear glasses. And make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I post videos about diamond paintings, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload my next video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!